Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how you can install and set up XAMPP server in Windows 10. First of all, you need to visit apachefriends.org and download XAMPP server for Windows. It is also available for Linux and Mac OS X. Now go to your downloads folder and we need to run this as administrator. Click OK. Next, and here you can see options. I don't want to install Tomcat and Mercury mail server, but if you prefer you can leave this checked. I am also going to uncheck fake send email and Webalizer. I don't want to install Perl. I would prefer PHP. Now click next, and here you can see our folder. XAMPP is not empty, so let's delete this folder. Go to C drive, and here you can see XAMPP. I am going to delete this. Now let's install. Now this process will take some time to complete, and once this is finished you will be able to use XAMPP server. If you see any error or fail to unpack files, you will have to visit XAMPP server website and download the fresh installer from the website. Now it is installing. It will take some time. Our installation has been completed. Now you can see we can finish this, or you can also check or uncheck this option. Do you want to start the control panel now? Yes, I would like to start it. So I will leave this checked. Now click finish. You can select your language, and now this is the control panel to manage XAMPP services. If you want to start any service, you can click on this start button. Yes, allow access, and I also want to allow MySQL. Now I also click allow access. Now here you can see some options: config, net, state, share, and other options. If you click on Explorer, you can see XAMPP folder, and here you can see htdocs directory. If you want to install WordPress, Drupal, or any other content management system, you will have to place your files here in this folder in htdocs directory. And now if you will visit localhost, you should see this page, and you can also go to phpMyAdmin to create your databases for WordPress and any other CMS. Now if you will stop these services and you will refresh this page, you won't see any option to create database. So you will have to restart these services. If you close this, you will have to start XAMPP services again. Search for XAMPP. Or go to all apps. Something is wrong here, but we should be able to search XAMPP here. Or you can go to C drive, XAMPP, and click XAMPP start to start all services. Or if you will click on this XAMPP control, so this one, you will see this menu to start and stop all services. So this is how you can easily install and manage localhost on your Windows 10 machine. Thank you very much for watching this video.